Hello everyone, welcome to this pattern video for this really cute hippo. So basically what you will need to cut hands, then legs and bottom of leg, which is going to look like that on your hippo once when it's out. And then you will need body part, which is also like 4 of them. And then, sorry, I have lots of patterns in these ones. So you will need bottom of your body. It looks like that once hippo is out. So basically you have everything for body, you just need to your head part now. As you can see, head is made from more small pieces, so it can be like a little bit complicated. I just forgot to write there how many pieces of fabric you need to cut it. So basically, just writing it now. But let me explain. If you take this hippo, on the back of the head there are these 2 big pieces of fabric. So you need to cut something like that and sew it together, but like don't do it yet. Then front of face is also made from these 2 pieces, but on front of your face is sewed also part which is basically your mouth. So you need to cut 2 small pieces, 1 big one, sew them all together, and then once when it is sewed you will stitch it, this mouth part, basically by handmade stitches on front of your front face. And once when it is done and you also sew that one like with sewing machine, you can sew like that part which stays open on the sides. Hopefully it makes sense. And also earth in 2 different types of fabric.